We're going to unpack the absolute massive AI shift happening on YouTube right now. Because if you've been banging your head against the wall, wondering how to successfully adjust to YouTube's algorithm changes, you're in the right place. We're laying out a concrete playbook for you to win in 2026 and well beyond. So be honest with me for a second. Are your YouTube views down? If you're a creator feeling super frustrated by stagnant or just flat out dropping view counts, you really need to know that you're not crazy and you're definitely not alone. There's this palpable massive shift happening across the platform. And honestly, a lot of creators are feeling like the rules of the entire game just flipped overnight. And the data totally backs up that feeling. A recent creator survey showed that 38% are seeing their views drop and another 34% say they're completely flat. Put that together and that's a whopping 72% of creators who have basically plateaued or actively losing ground. But here's a twist. This isn't actually bad news. If you know exactly how to adjust, it's a massive hidden opportunity. Section 1, the 4 YouTube eras. To really get what's happening, we have to look back. From 2005 to 2012, we had the keyword era. YouTube was basically just a search engine. You plugged in the right metadata and tags and boom, you were found. Then 2012 to 2015 brought the attention era. Watch time became king and clickbait finally got punished. From 2016 to 2022, things got smarter with the interest era, which focused heavily on a viewer's watch history. Now, none of those eras went away, right? They just stacked on top of each other like a giant puzzle. And today we fully entered a brand new phase, the semantic era. All right, section 2, the semantic AI algorithm. Here's the absolute game changer. Semantic literally means meaning. YouTube isn't just skimming your titles or tags anymore. The AI is actively scanning the video itself. Like, did you know the algorithm can actually see if there's a cat wandering around in the background to your shot? It reads your facial expressions. It analyzes the emotional tone of your voice. It cross-references all of that with your spoken transcript. It understands exactly what you're making down to the deepest contextual details, so it can perfectly match your content to a hyper-specific audience. And straight from the top, YouTube CEO recently pointed this out, noting that artificial intelligence isn't just some experimental side feature anymore. It is literally the quiet core matchmaking engine driving the entire recommendation system. Think of it like the ultimate dating app, perfectly pairing up highly specific viewer desires with highly specific creator content. Which brings us to section 3, why subscribers matter less. Okay, you might want to mentally underline this one. Having a massive subscriber base is no longer a safety net for generic content. Subscribers just do not guarantee views anymore. Just because someone hit subscribe 3 years ago doesn't mean the semantic AI thinks they want to watch your newest upload today. Every single video has to win on its own merits. This is exactly why 7 out of 10 viewers right now are being recommended small, totally unfamiliar channels on their homepage instead of the mass of legacy creators. The AI knows what you want to watch right now, completely ignoring subscriber counts. Let's look at how this plays out in the real world with a major business creator like Alex Hormozy. His main channel gets millions of views, which is great for broad brand awareness. Sure. But he actually confirmed that his second highly specific niche channel, which might only pull in a few hundred views a video, generates way more attributed revenue for his business. Why? Because the semantic algorithm takes those hyper-specific videos and places them directly in front of the exact buyers who need them. Or take business operations expert Stacy. She ran a highly targeted live stream that got, wait for it, 736 views. Now by the old metrics, you think, oof, that's a flop. It didn't go viral. But because she knew how to adjust to YouTube's algorithm changes, her content was perfectly positioned. The AI matched her with the exact right viewer. From those 736 views, she booked a call and closed a $30,000 deal. That is the insane power of relevance over pure popularity. And then we have Dr. Yvonne. This number here, 52, is her views per hour, her VPH on a video that's literally 2 years old. Because she made highly useful specific content about toxicology, it just compounds massively over time. The algorithm just keeps finding the exact right viewers day in, day out, year after year. You really don't need to go viral today to build steady, reliable traffic for tomorrow. So section 4, new rules for women. First things first, stop making generic content hoping to catch everyone. A title like How to Get Motivated is just way too broad now. Rule 1 is to choose a smaller, much sharper audience. Rule 2, you've got to master actual marketing principles so you know exactly who your ideal viewer is. And rule 3, make every single video unmistakably for a specific someone. Don't be a wandering generality, be a meaningful specific. Literally tell the AI exactly who this is for. Next up is packaging. Look, even if the semantic AI perfectly understands your content and serves it up on a silver platter to your ideal viewer, an impression isn't a view. You still have to earn the click. Your topic, your kinetic titles, and your minimalist thumbnails have to be extremely clear. You want a hook so strong, maybe a specific time versus outcome promise, that the viewer feels like they absolutely have to click your content over everything else. But earning the click is only half the battle. You have to actually deliver. You must optimize for watch time and crucially viewer satisfaction. The algorithm heavily rewards what YouTube employees call the yellow heart emoji. Basically, how satisfied is the person when the video ends? Hold their attention with great scripting and pacing and totally fulfill the promise you made in your title and thumbnail. Finally, you need to protect your turf and maximize your impact. You have to build a personal brand that AI literally cannot copy. Inject your unique personality, your polarizing values, your weird personal history into your content. The AI actually picks up on those nuances and uses them to build deep connections with like-minded viewers. And secondly, build a complete business bridge. Don't leave these highly specific viewers hanging. Give them a clear next step like a consultation or a sales system to turn that incredibly targeted attention into actual revenue. So as we wrap up this explainer, I really want you to ask yourself, are you going to keep chasing outdated subscriber counts and empty vanity views, or are you going to adjust to YouTube's massive algorithm changes to capture real revenue, deep viewer satisfaction, and true lasting influence in the semantic era? Honestly, the opportunity has never been better for focused, specific creators to find their exact audience. The only question left is, what are you going to build for them? Thanks for watching the video this far. I'm excited to share with you an in-depth article on how to create, share, and monetize lead magnets effortlessly, all without technical skills or expensive tools. This article dives deep into the essential steps for building an audience genuinely interested in your brand. It's designed to help you leverage the skills you already have to create and launch a profitable digital business today. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your approach, this guide offers valuable insights to set you on the right path. And one of the key topics covered is why manual outreach and legacy systems can't keep up. You will learn that speed is a vital component of lead conversion. Research shows that responding to a lead within minutes rather than hours dramatically increases the likelihood of a successful sale. The fact that manual systems lack the agility required to pivot when audience behavior changes shows how Lead Creator can address this need. The article helps you pinpoint what your audience truly needs and how your unique skills can meet those needs effectively, ensuring your product stands out in a crowded market. Next, the article explores how to craft compelling content that resonates with your audience and drives sales. It emphasizes the importance of storytelling, clarity, and authenticity in your messaging. You'll learn techniques to create content that not only educates but also emotionally connects with your potential customers. This approach helps build trust and encourages engagement, which are essential for transforming interest into actual purchases. Another vital aspect discussed is effective packaging, how to present your knowledge in a captivating way that appeals to your target market. Alongside this, the article outlines strategies for building a marketing plan that truly connects with the eager buyers. It covers everything from branding and positioning to choosing the right channels for promotion. These insights empower you to showcase your digital product's value clearly and attract the right audience consistently. Finally, the article addresses the challenges new creators often face and offers advice on staying motivated and focused throughout the journey. Launching a digital product can be demanding, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can overcome obstacles and keep progressing. This section provides encouragement and practical tips to help you maintain momentum and achieve long-term success. So go ahead and click on the link below to get started today and turn your ideas into impactful digital products.